Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you 5 quick tips for boosting your confidence with your whiteboard setup. First tip, make sure your markers are in good condition. Nothing is worse than trying to write on a whiteboard with dried out markers. Keep your markers fresh and vibrant to make your writing pop. Next, utilize different colors to organize your thoughts. Color coding can help make your information more visually appealing and easier to understand. Experiment with different color combinations to find what works best for you. Don't forget to practice your handwriting. Clear, legible writing can make a big difference in how your information is received. Take the time to work on your penmanship and watch your confidence soar. So there you have it, 5 quick tips for boosting your confidence with your whiteboard setup. Remember, the more comfortable you are with your tools, the more confident you'll feel in your presentations. Keep practicing and soon enough, you'll be a whiteboard wizard. See you next time. Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk to you about how bullet journaling can help boost your confidence and self-esteem. One way to build confidence through bullet journaling is by incorporating positive affirmations into your daily spreads. Writing down things like, "I am capable," or "I believe in myself," can help rewire your mindset to focus on your strengths and abilities. Another tip for boosting confidence is to use your bullet journal to track your accomplishments and progress towards your goals. Seeing how far you've come can be a great reminder of your capabilities and drive. Remember, building confidence takes time and effort, but with the help of a bullet journal, you can take small steps every day to uplift yourself and build a positive self-image. So grab your journal and start boosting your confidence today. You've got this.
Hey there, fellow creators. Today, I want to share with you some ultimate whiteboard setup tips that will help you maximize your growth and productivity. Firstly, make sure to keep your whiteboard clutter-free by regularly erasing old notes and keeping only the most relevant information visible. This will help you stay focused and organized throughout your day. Secondly, use different colored markers to categorize your ideas and tasks. For instance, use red for urgent deadlines, green for long-term goals, and blue for brainstorming sessions. This will not only make your whiteboard visually appealing but also help you prioritize your tasks effectively. By following these simple whiteboard setup tips, you'll be able to maximize your growth potential and achieve your goals faster than ever before. So, grab your markers and get ready to level up your productivity game. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, a well-organized whiteboard is the key to unlocking your full potential. Happy creating!
Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for setting up your Notion for success. Notion is a fantastic tool for staying organized and productive, but it can be overwhelming to get started. Tip number 1, keep it simple. Start by creating a few key pages, such as a dashboard, task lists, and project outlines. Don't overcomplicate things with too many categories or tags. Tip number 2, customize your workspace to fit your needs. Notion is highly customizable, so take advantage of this by designing a layout that works best for you. Experiment with different templates and layouts until you find what works for you. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to setting up your Notion for success. Remember, organization is key to productivity, and Notion can help you stay on track with your goals. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing! Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to a more organized and productive you with Notion. Cheers to success! Hey there, friends! Today, I want to share some top tips for perfecting your Notion setup discipline. First things first, make sure to keep your workspace organized. Create different categories and pages for different aspects of your life or work. This will make it easier to navigate and find what you need quickly. Next, establish a routine for updating and maintaining your Notion setup. Set aside some time each day or week to go through your tasks and update any information. Consistency is key when it comes to staying on top of things. Remember, perfecting your Notion setup discipline takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if it feels overwhelming at first. Keep at it, and soon enough, you'll have a system that works seamlessly for you. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead and give these tips a try, and watch as your productivity and organization soar to new heights. Happy Notioning!
Hey there, it's time to boost your idea tracker with a positive mindset. First things first, cultivate a positive attitude. Believe in your ideas and trust that they have potential. Embrace a growth mindset and see setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth. Remember, every successful idea started as just a seed of thought. Now, surround yourself with positivity. Create a supportive environment by seeking out inspiration from books, podcasts, and successful individuals. Stay motivated and focused on your goals by visualizing your success and staying connected with like-minded individuals who uplift and encourage you. So, there you have it. Boost your idea tracker with a positive mindset and watch your creativity and productivity soar. Believe in yourself and your ideas, stay positive, and success will surely follow. Keep pushing forward and never give up. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, a positive mindset is the key to unlocking your full potential. Keep dreaming big and never stop believing in yourself. You've got this.
Hey there! Today, I'd like to talk to you about developing effective habits for idea tracking. The first key to effective idea tracking is to carry a notebook with you wherever you go. Whether it's a physical notebook or a digital one on your phone, having a place to jot down ideas as they come to you is crucial. You never know when inspiration will strike, so being prepared is key. Next, it's important to regularly review and organize your ideas. Set aside time each week to go through your notes and see which ones have the most potential. By organizing your ideas, you'll be able to see patterns and connections that can lead to new and innovative solutions. So there you have it. Developing effective habits for idea tracking is all about being prepared and organized. By keeping track of your ideas and reviewing them regularly, you can turn your thoughts into action and bring your creative vision to life. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, the more you track your ideas, the more opportunities you'll have to turn them into reality. So keep that notebook handy and start tracking those ideas today.
Hey everyone! Are you looking for some creative wall calendar ideas to help you stay organized and on track for the year ahead? Well, you're in luck. I've got you covered with the top 10 wall calendar ideas for guaranteed success. First up, consider a personalized photo calendar featuring your favorite memories. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your schedule and reminisce about special moments throughout the year. Next, why not try a motivational quote calendar? Each month can feature a different inspirational quote to keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Whether you prefer a colorful, themed calendar or a simple and minimalist design, there are endless options to choose from. Find a style that speaks to you and enhances your productivity and organization. So there you have it, the top 10 wall calendar ideas for guaranteed success. Which one are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, a well-planned calendar is the key to a successful year ahead. Let's make 2022 the best year yet.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can boost your confidence naturally with the power of color psychology. Did you know that different colors can have a profound impact on our emotions and mindset? For example, wearing red can help you feel more powerful and assertive, while yellow can bring out your creativity and optimism. Blue is known for its calming and soothing properties, making it perfect for reducing stress and anxiety. By incorporating more blue into your wardrobe or surroundings, you can create a sense of tranquility and stability in your life. Pink is often associated with love and compassion, helping to cultivate feelings of kindness and self-love. By surrounding yourself with pink items or using pink as a reminder to practice self-care, you can increase your confidence and inner strength. Remember, the colors you choose to surround yourself with can have a powerful impact on how you feel about yourself. Embrace the beauty of color psychology and watch your confidence soar. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead and start incorporating more colors into your life to boost your confidence naturally. You deserve to shine bright like the rainbow that you are. Rainbow Sparkling Heart.
Hey there, lovely souls! Are you ready to boost your productivity and confidence with some focus tips for your Notion setup? Let's dive in. First things first, declutter your Notion workspace. Remove any unnecessary pages, databases, or widgets that are causing distractions. Keeping it simple and organized will help you stay focused and motivated. Now, let's talk about setting clear goals and priorities within your Notion setup. Create a master task list and break it down into smaller achievable tasks. This will help you stay on track and feel accomplished as you check off each item. By implementing these confidence-boosting focus tips into your Notion setup, you'll not only increase your productivity but also improve your overall motivation and mindset. Remember, a clear and organized workspace leads to a clear and organized mind. So go ahead, give these tips a try and watch your confidence soar. You've got this.